How do you know you got a bad brake booster? Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your brake booster is failing and it's time to replace it? The first sign that you know that your brake booster is failing is when you step on the brake pedal, it feels extremely hard and it's difficult to press it. For example, when you are driving and you're approaching a stop sign or a stop light and you're stepping on the brake pedal and it feels extremely hard and it feels like you constantly have to step on it extremely hard to come to a stop, that is a good sign that the brake booster is failing. The number one reason why a brake booster failed is going to be caused by a ruptured diaphragm inside the brake booster. When the diaphragm inside the brake booster fell, this will cause a vacuum leak, and when there's a vacuum leak, you will hear hissing noise underneath the steering wheel area. At this point, there is no brake assist because if the brake booster is not working, that means the brake booster piston cannot push the push rod in the master cylinder. Therefore, this is also going to affect the master cylinder operation. Since the brake booster needs vacuum for it to work properly, if there's a vacuum leak somewhere, this will definitely affect the brake booster operation. For example, bad brake booster check valve, bad brake booster vacuum hose, and rusted brake booster hose clamp can definitely affect the brake booster operation. In addition, if the engine itself has vacuum leaks such as bad intake manifold gasket, this can also affect the brake booster operation. First, check the hose clamp at the brake booster. Make sure it is not rusted or loose. Next, check for cracks on the brake booster hose. Pay attention carefully and listen for hissing noise. If you hear hissing noise coming from the brake booster hose or coming from the clamp area, there's a good chance there is a vacuum leak. By now, you're probably wondering, how do you test a brake booster? And it's very simple to test it. First, make sure the vehicle is off. Next, step on the brake pedal a few times until it becomes hard and firm. Make sure to keep your foot on the brake pedal and next, turn on your vehicle. The brake pedal should sink slightly. If the brake pedal does not sink slightly, that means the brake booster is faulty. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.